In today's video, how to fix negative Google reviews. My name's Nadernejad. I'm the founder of Nadernejad Media. It's my last name, right? And I help people fix their online reputations. I worked in full-service digital marketing. I've worked with some of the biggest brands in North America. I've worked with television shows. I have done reputation management for, everyone from like your next door neighbor to Fortune 1000 companies, billion-dollar companies around the world, not just in North America, but also in Asia. So if you're looking for somebody to help with your reputation, I'm the guy. Hit that subscribe button and smash that notification bell. And throughout this video, if you say, hey, I need professional help with my reputation, reach out to me in the description below. So, how do you fix negative Google reviews? Well, the best thing to do is to reach out to previous clients and try to get more reviews. You need to gauge how bad this is. So, first of all, on Google, what is your star rating at the moment? Are you at 2.7 stars? Okay, if you have 10 reviews, it's very fixable. If you're at 2.7 stars and you have 500 reviews, a lot harder to fix. If you have 1,000, we need a lot of reviews to get you to a 3 or a 4 star. So how are we going to do this? You need to understand, if you are losing a lot of business because of these reviews, I don't care if it's at 500, I don't care if it's at 1,000, delete the Google profile. Okay, you can do this by going to mybusiness.google.com. The link could have changed, or I could be wrong. Just look up Google My Business. Google the term Google My Business. You're going to log in with the Google account that you launched the business with. If you didn't, you need to claim the business profile. You can do that by clicking, like Googling your restaurant, Googling your company, clicking on it on Google, and then going to claim this profile. What you want to do is you want to shut that down. You want to shut down that negative, that business listing, and you want to launch a new one. And when you launch the new one, you want to start with 5 5-star reviews, maybe a 4-star review, but you want to completely eliminate it. Is this deception? No, that's what we call a fresh start. I don't think it's bad. I think it's fine, because I think people can bounce back. I think people can change. So the best thing you should do is remove that Google listing, mybusiness.google.com, and then you want to start a new listing. Again, go to mybusiness.google.com, click on add a new listing, and then you're ready to go. Now, if you want me to demonstrate this for you, or if you're confused or you need help, reach out to me. I'm here to help. But my advice is just start a new Google business. It's really going to help you, and I promise you, it's going to get you far.